baby.
What year is it?
68.
68. Fastback. You gonna leave it pretty much stock, no
No, I'm just gonna put that.
Eleanore kind of stuff?
No, just this year.
Just that side scoop?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that'd be cool. Which is fine because,
Pick it up a little bit more here.
well, when you put that thing on, it's gonna,
Yeah.
it'll stick out further than the door. So then you'll have to.
Yeah, I think that a lot of it is, I mean, I don't know. It doesn't really depend on how you do it.
Mhm.
I think 1.25. But other than that, it's pretty solid.
That's nothing, I don't think.
You just gotta fix it.
Clean it up and you know, strip all the paint and stuff out, reseam seal it.
Maybe we're gonna have to throw in like buy one of these so we can trash, so we can make sure that it's gonna clip on, you know. That's the issue that I'm having with the 72. The sucker didn't do a real good body work, and I'm having this problem.
Pretty solid though, right?
Oh yeah, pretty solid.
About time I get something that wasn't full of rust. Yeah, I can't wait to do this one, man.
You got a little bit of bubbling right here.
Yeah, it's nothing, man.
Yeah, that's like I said, it's mainly.
You got big old holes in the quarter panels and shit. Wheelhouses are solid. But you can actually get parts for these.
Yeah, but I think it's mainly. It's clean.
Yeah.
Even underneath it.
This would be a fun walk in the park, man.
At the end of the year.
Start or finish by the end of the year?
Huh?
Start or finish?
Oh yeah, that's right.
It'd take, you know, not as long as the
Nova.
Nova.
Yeah, that was a year. I think
Yeah.
it's something like a good 6 months ago, 7 months, 8 months.
Yeah, something like that. A lot of work doesn't, I mean, no new quarter panels, no.
But this I do want to pay the engine compartment.
Mhm. What color? Body color or
The body
black?
color, yeah.
Okay. This would be more fun than the 70. Probably almost as fun as the Eleanore. Make it an Eleanore, man.
Deep was clean.
Make this an Eleanore. You got the little hump on the roof? Yeah, this is the right year for an Eleanore, man.
Dude, I know. I don't know if my son wants it. I mean, if he likes it, we'll just gotta buy the kid, no?
Yeah. You gotta replace the hood with a
But I gotta
fiberglass
make sure
hood.
If I put the kid, then I have to lower it so it can look real good.
What's wrong with that, man? You get a one piece, well, it's actually two pieces.
Fiberglass one?
Fiberglass hood, fiberglass front end. You need new headlights. You can get, you know, like the big fog lights. And here, I'll tell you what, man. I'll show you a video montage of the Eleanore that I did on YouTube. Dude, I fucking would love to do an Eleanore. It kind of costs a lot of money for all them parts and shit, though. But I know that you got it.
You know how much money I got in this car right now as you see it?
20 grand?
45 grand.
45 grand?
With the motor, but without paint. I'm already at $45,000. I got more money in this car than I was.
This is only a 3-minute video. That was a pain in the ass to do that fuel cap.
What year was this? 68?
Mm-hmm.
Now, do you have to make the holes for the rear lights, or does it fit on the...
You gotta, it takes lights for like a, I can't remember what, I don't know if I'd even mess with changing the lights, because I didn't like...
What about the trunk? The trunk lid?
Trunk lid. Yeah, it's got that
Is there
flare
another
up.
one?
Yeah. You'll see.
Yeah. You gotta do this here.
Yeah. See how that flares up and the trunk lid does the same thing?
Yeah.
But you could leave the same tail lights. I don't like the tail lights that you put in
that
there.
one, I like that. I like these here.
Yeah. They look like they don't belong on the car. Looks fucking badass when they're done.
No. But it doesn't change anything in here, right?
No. Mm-mm. It's all cosmetic. Keep watching. Keep watching. There's your hood. They fucking look badass when they're done, man. They're fucking sweet looking cars.
Wow, what color is that? Oh, the
Pepper gray metallic, and the black is a metallic black. I wish I took more pictures of that, man.
I need to show my son.
Yeah. It's on YouTube.
Oh, it's on YouTube?
Yeah.
Text me the link when you're done. Nice.
Keep looking, man. See, there's the taillights. They don't look. They look like they don't belong on the car.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'd leave yours, but those front lights, man, that looks shit, man.
And I got the Shelby rim. See the rim?
Yeah, you could.
Is that rims and tires? No,
those are just rollers that he had on there.
Yeah,
So.
those are just rollers, but these are Shelby rims.
But man, the fucking side exhaust and everything, man, fuck that shit. Fucking sweet.
$600 each rim.
Each?
Yeah.
Fuck.
Yeah. I got like $4 grand on brand new tires. So, but it's good, right? Not that bad.
No, man, I want to do this one.
We'll just see if he
Fuck them other cars for now.
do that, then we'll
Even if he doesn't, I still want to do it. But man, I'd really love to do another Eleanore.
see how much it's getting.
I'm wanting to guess
$3 grand? More?
probably about $3 grand. The hood's probably about 500. The front end's probably about 500 for all of that. And then the side, yeah, 2-3 grand. But it looks fucking badass.
And the gas cap and everything, does it come with a, do you buy it at sheet metal or you made it out?
You get some of it. You get the cap, but I think I had to make it. I had to make something. I think it was the threaded insert to bolt it together or something like that. I'm not sure. I'd have to watch the video on a bigger screen, but I think I might have even had to make that round collar to make it stand up a little bit.
Yeah.
I can't be sure. I'd have to look at it. That was back in 2007, man. I've slept since then.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
But this one looks nice. Even all black, you know?
Oh, I'd painted the Eleanore colors, man.
Yeah. Even if we don't do Eleanore, you think those Eleanore colors and the stripes look nice? Is it something that can
Yeah.
pull off?
Yeah. Huh?
Yeah.
Sure. I'd still at least go with.
He kind of likes grays, you know?
I would see if I could get a similar kind of a hood, you know, with the raised thing. That hood that you put on, it's longer than a stock hood because the piece that you put on sticks out, and it's got to, you know, match up to that. So.
I'm not gonna put that hood on. I'm gonna either put the original that has a little blinkers on top, or find something else, you know, that he likes. Because he actually likes the one with the little scoop, you know, the original scoops.
Mhm.
Mustang scoops. I think I have somewhere in there. And he kind of liked that too.
That's a boring looking hood. I wouldn't use that one.
That's a good fucking hood, I think. But he likes
Yeah, but it's boring looking.
But
Maybe
you know,
cowl induction or something.
You know the Mustang scoops that the original Mustang scoops that everybody uses.
Uh-huh.
He kind of liked that.
Mhm.
The other one had it. I took it off.
Show him that Eleanore video. He might want to do that. I think it's good for resale value too.
Yeah, no, these cars are up there. They're anywhere from 45 to 80, 90 G. So he's not gonna get it.
But still, man,
Doesn't really matter.
it's money in the bank,
Yeah.
you know. Or in the driveway, I should say.
I don't really, if he's gonna keep it, I don't really care about it.
Is that the original steering wheel?
The Shelby steering wheel.
Nice.
BT Shelby steering wheel.
Dude, I want to do this.
This fucking thing was $350. That's it. What the work it did and the steering wheel and everything is 15 grand, and I paid 20 grand for the car. And then the motor, so I'm already $45,000.
Dude, come get the Falcon right now, man, and just drop this off.
No. They gotta give me time to ship this. I'm gonna, I gotta take it out like I took you the Nova.
Mm-hmm.
Shell, get some other tires.
Man, when these things ain't got nothing on them, they don't weigh shit.
No, they don't really got that thing. But I'm gonna go to the extent with this one that I went with
The Nova?
wiring, AC, everything.
I would, man.
I'm already put it in the motherfucker for about 45 G. What about another 145?
I wonder if I'd be able to get a hold of that guy that I did the Eleanore for, see if he still got it and if he finished it up and how it came out and everything. Because when he took it back, it was still no motor, no interior, anything like that. So
Hopefully he's not still working on it, putting it together.
I will hope not.
I mean, that takes time.
But damn, man, you fucking wreck one of them in the front, you're fucked, man.
Actually, with those guys, if you have a wreck, you pretty much fuck them all up.
Yeah.
Fuck up the body.
Well, you tie the whole front end together with that bumper.
So it's gonna get fucked up.
I mean, you even scratch one fender, you gotta at least clear coat the whole fucking front clip. Because it's all one piece.
I'm almost there too. I'm just taking my time, you know.
With the Nova?
Yeah. Like I think the AC, maybe one or maybe two more weekends, and then I should have to drive that during the week. So I can at least turn it on and turn it off, you know.
Uh-huh.
And move it so I can take it to get the takes off. I'm gonna put a electric cut on and everything.
Chevelle sits a little too high, man.
Oh, I like it.
Need to lower it a little bit. But it looks good from 5-10 feet away. I wonder if my camera battery's still going. They don't last very long.
And when the gauges came out nice, huh?
Yeah, and the column. Finally got that thing in.
Hey, perfect cut, perfect everything, man. So, perfect.
I'm gonna grab a water, man.
Yeah, go ahead. The unit for this car is pretty much how it is. Yeah, there's no way I'm put too much stuff in it. Yeah. Never
He lets you take Sundays off?
Sometimes if I need him, we have something pretty big. I think we planned a couple of Sundays and Saturdays. Like, yeah. But I think pretty much it's weekend thing now.
So does it start with the key now?
Oh yeah.
Sweet. So when are you going to be having it on the road? July? Probably not, huh?
Probably September. I might, if I keep on going the way I am, probably not completely, but where I can turn it on and drive it and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so,
You don't need carpet for that.
nah, no, if I can see that one screw in the school. I just need to brush down, do the brakes and the clutch, everything. So I can at least move it and take it to the big dog.
Mm.